Today we are looking at a 34-foot 2000 Sea View 8341 by National RV. The owners have been very particular about maintaining this unit, and it was renovated in 2020. The highlights of this unit are a new queen sofa sleeper, the recent addition of a 10-gallon water heater, a new microwave, new flooring, recent paint, and a new queen island bed. Upon entry, you'll notice how the driver's slide opens the living area up nicely. It will be easy to entertain your friends with seating up to 6 with the sofa sleeper, swivel captain's chairs, and an extra rocker. A wood cabinet piece has been added to increase your living space and to help with organization. The bedroom boasts a queen island bed for your comfort, and at the foot of that bed there is another wall unit for storage for extended travel. This is a unit that can definitely handle full-time travel and was designed for year-round use. The mid-bathroom area on the right side of the coach affords surprisingly more space for your individual needs. Across from the bathroom is an expansive wall unit for all your personal items. Plenty of space for everything you could possibly need while on the road. This 2000 Sea View is powered by a strong 6.8-liter Triton V10 305 horsepower engine and a Ford torque shift transmission. All this on a heavy-duty Ford chassis with a 5,000-pound hitch receiver. Also included are fiberglass roof, 5,500-watt generator, dual-ducted air conditioners, and auto-load levelers. The kitchen has everything you need, including a large Dometic refrigerator freezer, Corian countertops, a 3-burner stove, a space-saver coffee maker, and plenty of storage to keep the chef happy. If you are in the market to buy or sell an RV, please contact me, and thanks for watching.